All right, YouTube. This time I'm driving during the day. I believe you guys will be able to hear it a little bit much better now. I'm going 72 miles per hour. But I'm going to be quiet right quick and I'm going to let you guys listen. All right, I'm down to 67 miles per hour right now. All right, I'm at 60. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up speed now. Get back up to the speed limit. But I really don't know what the hell that noise is. I mean, just like I just posted earlier this morning, I don't know if it's the struts, shocks. I mean, the stabilizer bar bushings, the stabilizer bar leak in. I mean, hell, I don't know. I looked at the damn fender liner over there. I changed a few of the rivets, installed some that was missing. I mean, that wasn't even the case. So I really don't know what the hell, y'all, but it do sound like it's coming right over here from the front passenger side, somewhere around there. Now I got all these damn move parts and stuff put on, but I'm still trying to figure out what the hell this noise is. But if anybody can help me, man, make sure y'all go ahead and let me know something. Holla at your boy. See that? See, I put the speed limit back down again. I'm back at 65 now. Hopefully y'all can hear this noise, because this shit is getting irritating. But I'm going to get it fixed. Also, I will be having more videos of this Charger as well. And of course, my Crown Vic. So everyone that's watching, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. Leave your boy a like on this video, all my other videos as well. Go ahead and comment, because I respond to the comments real fast and real quick. But help me out on this situation right here.